For many reasons, we suffer from hair loss. Many people lose their hair at a young age. Today we will show you how to make your hair thicker and longer. If you use this remedy properly, you will get good results. So let's start. First, take potato peel in a bowl. Potato contains vitamin B, vitamin C, zinc, niacin, and iron. These nutrients nourish the hair follicles and can promote hair growth. Potato juice can help in cleansing the scalp by absorbing sebum and sweat. Using potato juice may add shine and luster to your hair by closing the cuticles. Add a cup water. Add 1 tablespoon black tea. Applying black tea to your hair and scalp is considered safe. That said, the caffeine in black tea may dry your hair shaft, potentially resulting in a dry, damaged appearance. Therefore, it's best to apply black tea directly to the scalp using a spray bottle and use a conditioner after rinsing. Mix well. Put the mixture in a saucepan, then put the ingredients to boil for 10 minutes. After boiling the ingredients well, leave the mixture to cool completely, then filter the mixture into a strainer to get the extract of the ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. It is ready for use. Use it inside your hair. After keeping it for 1 hour, wash it off with water. You will get all effective result form the fast week of using it. Your hair will stop falling out forever and your hair will grow. You will have very long and thick hair. I hope your hair will grow at a rocket speed. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.